You know those discounted Shippo rates you get when you buy a shipping label? The problem? You're using flat rates or table rates and losing money without realizing it. We'll show you a simple way to display real-time, discounted Shippo rates in the WooCommerce Cart, so you stop undercharging and start protecting your profit. In this tutorial, we'll be using the free version of Multi-Carrier Shippo Shipping PRO for WooCommerce. Let's activate the plugin and go through the settings together. Activate the plugin Multi-Carrier Shippo Shipping Rate and Address Validation for WooCommerce, which is the free version of the plugin. Click on Shippo Shipping under the One Team Software tab to access the plugin settings. You will then be redirected to the free version of the Shippo Shipping Pro settings page. From here, let's click on Enable this shipping plugin. Enter your Shippo Live API token and Sandbox Test API token. Enable Sandbox mode for testing purposes. Keep the Use Cache enabled. Keep the cache expiration and request timeout columns set to their default values. Enter your ship from address in this field, such as your warehouse or fulfillment location. In the common shipping settings sections, keep all options unchecked, default settings, to avoid adding restrictions that may impact your test results. If you plan to ship internationally, make sure to enter the HS tariff number. For page condition, make sure it is set to any. Leave the minimum rate cost and maximum rate cost fields empty to avoid restricting the shipping rates. Parcel adjustment section. The min length, min width, min height, and min weight fields are used as default values when calculating live shipping rates. Keep all shipping rate adjustment fields empty. Parcel packing and shipping service configuration settings are available in the Pro version only. Auto tracking, order import export, shipping label configuration, and bulk label purchasing are available in the Pro version only. You can safely skip those sections when using the free version. Once finished, scroll down and click Save Changes to apply your settings.